As you know, I don't speak Finnish, but I'm told Sisu means determination, resilient, and having guts. There could not be a closer concept to what we need to advance gender equality and women's rights. Women are resilient in the face of adversity and discrimination. Women are determined, and they've always been. They strive to build a better life for their families, their communities, and their nations. Women have guts, period. They have led the struggle for gender equality and to end gender discrimination for centuries. But the world has not had the same kind of guts to fight gender inequality. Now is the time for the world to step up. As the head of UN Women, the United Nations entity that promotes gender equality and women's rights, I feel that our story has been one of Sisu. Finland has been our strongest supporter since the beginning. I'm thankful for that support. I urge all of you to capture this feeling of Sisu and translate it into reality for women and girls, not just in Finland, but around the world. With Sisu, we can achieve Planet 50-50 by 2030, with strong results though by 2020. In the 19th century, we brought slavery to an end. In the 20th century, the world ended colonialism and apartheid in my own country. But now, in this early part of the 21st century, we must bring an end to gender oppression and make gender equality a reality. We will need a lot of Sisu to achieve this goal, and I count on your support, and the women of the world count on you. Thank you.